Welcome back. We've got an update for you today on Airship AI Holdings, AISP. We last talked about Airship AI back in December 22nd of 2024, so it's been a little while. Then it was at a price of $4.37 a share, and now it's sitting at $5.30 a share, and it's got a little excitement burning in its belly. So in the last handful of trading days, 4 or 5 or so, the share price has rocketed up from about $4 a share to a little over $5 a share, $5.30. Hey, they came out with good Q1 2025 numbers, and it's getting quite a bit of excitement. So little bit about this company again. This is video sensors, artificial intelligence, turning out good decisions. This is public safety, security, and defense related. So think schools, borders, law enforcement, and military. And then some commercial companies as well use this. Home Depot and FedEx, for example, are two sizable commercial customers. So the tangible or the total addressable market for this is really, as you know, the whole security, defense, public safety. This is a big market, looking to grow to $1.1 trillion in just a handful of years. So there's a lot of market to go after. The thing that's really interesting about Airship AI is that they also have very high ownership by insiders, greater than 50%. So you invest right along with the people that are running the company, and your best interests are at heart because it's their best interests at heart. So this is what makes this a very exciting company. This company's been around for a while as well. As we've covered before, it was founded back in 2006. So they've had a lot of time to work on this AI-driven surveillance platform. Again, using videos, sensors, gathering data management, using artificial intelligence and algorithms to help make better decisions to keep all of us safe in whatever venue that is. So let's take a little closer look at some of the market fundamentals and see if that supports our bullishness on this company. So with a market cap of about $177 million, this is a small market cap organization, but that always provides us with great opportunity. And for a company like Airship AI, which is an innovator, it's new age, it's cutting edge and disruptive technologies that haven't been used before, this is exciting times. And this is what's gotten the company lit up again and given it a fresh momentum hit to leap forward. At a price of about $5.30 a share, it's actually down a little bit this year, down about 15%. The 1 year up about 19%, but over the 5-year period of time, we're down over 40%. So it's really a good time to buy this company, just as things revenue is starting to sizzle up a little bit, and margins are starting to expand as they've got a good product that's set up and very scalable at this point in time. This company has traded between $1.90 a share and all the way up to $7.66 a share within the last 52 trading weeks. So you're in the middle of that range, but again, down from over the 5-year period of time of over 40%. At a time when revenue is starting to percolate up. 2024 growth was at 23 million, and that was a sizable amount of growth for 2024. 2025 revenues is projected to leap another 30%. In Q1 came in at 5.5 million, and that's despite the headwinds of a challenging Q1 and everything tariff related as a result of that, and really a new administration starting to set the tone of where they're going to be spending money and where things will fall out. Company has a strong balance sheet, $8.8 million in cash, not a tremendous amount of cash burn. I think cash burn in Q1 was about 2.2 million. Lots of cash on hand, and cash is starting to flow in. And with the growth in revenues, that means that there's more to contribute to that bottom line. And they actually had a gross profit of $2.2 million, not yet financially profitable, but working there. And with a strong flexibility in the balance sheet with an at-the-market offering of $25 million and then additional capabilities to expand to $50 million to tap the markets. There's a lot here to like as far as financial flexibility. So for a company that's in the market of public security, defense, and in safety, this seems to hit on in artificial intelligence. This company hits on a lot of the check marks that we're looking for a great growth company going forward. Analysts have this pegged at about $11 a share, which means from current prices, we can look for a potential double in valuation. And with growth pegged at 30% this year, this is exactly what we want to see from an economy that's giving us a little bit of headwinds. But when you have the artificial intelligence, the video sensor, decision-making that's built into the capabilities for both a hardware perspective and software perspective, this company has a complete package, and it's something that I'm invested in. I've increased my position twice in the past couple of days and will continue to do so to ratchet up my number of shares held, because I think this is a great long-term hold. Let me know what you're doing. And if you like this, as always, send me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and appreciate you tuning in. We'll talk again soon.